It's a little project I figured I'd do. Gonna use these whisk snips that I cleaned up not long ago. I'll put the link to that in the description. But I have this tape measure. It was broken, so I took it apart. And I'm just gonna cut it into 1 foot sections, I think, is what we'll do. Then we can take this to the blacksmith meeting, just give these away. That way when you're on the anvil, it's metal tape, so it's not gonna burn, and you can do just a quick little measure. So let's get these caught up. You see it's still, you got your 1 through 12, so you don't have to do any math. So, might have to keep some one for myself. Thanks for watching.